So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious, and I brought for you guys another powerful smoothie that will help improve your strength. So the first one is carrots. The nutrients in carrots help to increase count and also maintain in men. Studies suggest that men who eat carrots regularly are able to produce more and they are of better quality. These have better mobility and help in conception too. So the mobility is the movement of that is the ability to swim faster. So cut your carrots into blendable pieces. And then our second powerful ingredient is the beetroots. They work in a similar way to Viagra by increasing the levels of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to the joystick. Beet juice helps the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is often used to open up the blood vessels and is sold as a dietary supplement for ED. Nitric helps the pressure in the corpus cavernosum necessary to keep an. So make sure you take out the back and then chop it into blendable pieces. Get it ready for blending. Then we will go ahead to get ready the third ingredient, which is the ginger. Ginger can increase blood flow. One review of 6 studies also concluded that ginger supplementation reduced levels of systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Ginger is historically considered an aphrodisiac food, and according to a 2018 study, it may increase testosterone production. So, combining these 3 ingredients will give you a powerful boost. Now it's time for us to blend everything together. Go ahead and put 2 glasses of water or 3 depending on the quantity of the ingredients. Then blend everything together. Blend it well. So after blending, we are going to be sieving out the juice, separating the juice from the chaff. So make sure you press out the juice with something strong. If you need to add more water, then it's fine, but make sure that the ingredient is enough for the water you're adding. Then at the end of the day, we have our juice, and the juice is spicy and tasty. And I'm sure that this smoothie would go a long way in improving your heart health and blood flow to your organ. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment on the comment section. I'm still your favorite coach, Gracious Choma. Bye.